Good morning, students in 218. I hope you guys are having a really good morning. Today we are going to start our morning meeting like we usually do when we are in the classroom with our good morning song. So if you guys could hold up your two hands, we're going to start with English today. Okay, are you ready? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, my friends. Okay, behind your back. Ahora español. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Very good, my friends. And now we are going to do our calendar, our calendario. Let's look down here. Miss Sarah has written the days of the week. If yesterday was Wednesday, miércoles, today is what? Hoy es, today is Thursday, or in español we say jueves. Now, if we look at our calendar numbers, yesterday we had the number 25. If we had the number 25 yesterday, the day is 26. 26 comes after the number 25. Okay, friends, are you ready to repeat with me? We're going to say the date now and sing our calendar songs. Today is Thursday, March 2020. Hoy es jueves, marzo de 2020. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Okay, now we're going to sing our good morning song in Spanish. Hoy es jueves, hoy es jueves, todo el día, todo el día. Ayer fue miércoles, mañana va a ser viernes. Ding dong dang, ding dong dang. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow for morning meeting.